Let's talk about driving. The freedom, the possibilities, the open road. But before you can go anywhere, you face a classic choice. Manual or automatic? Manual or stick shift is the old school way. 3 pedals, a gear stick, and a lot of coordination. It's what your granddad learned on, and he'll say it builds character, along with stories of stalling on hills. It's a hands-on experience, a real connection with the car. On the other side, there's automatic 2 pedals, no gear changes, just put it in D and go. It's modern, easy, and some say it's too easy. But why make life harder? The choice shapes your whole driving journey, how fast you learn, your confidence, and even what cars you can drive. In the UK, pass in an automatic and you're limited to automatics. Pass in a manual and you can drive both. It's skill versus simplicity, control versus convenience. So, what's a new driver to do? Let's see this dilemma play out at a driving school right now on a quiet street. 2 learners, 2 cars, 1 big decision. The journey starts here. Will you choose the challenge of the stick or the ease of the smooth ride? Let's meet our drivers. The debate is real and it's happening every day. Your choice will shape your driving future. Ready to see what it's really like? Let's dive in. The road awaits. It's Saturday at Get Going Driving School. Meet Alex in a red manual Fiesta, wrestling with the clutch. He's tense, focused, and stalling again. Every pull away is a test of patience and coordination. Across the street, Maya sits in a blue automatic Yaris. She's relaxed, gliding through a mini roundabout with ease. No stalling, no shuddering, just smooth driving. Alex's lesson is a battle with gears. Maya's is all about the road. She checks mirrors, signals, and flows with traffic, her mind free to focus on what's ahead. Alex, meanwhile, is fighting the car as much as the road. Maya's journey feels simple. Alex's, a challenge. 2 learners, 2 very different experiences. The manual demands attention to every detail. The automatic lets you focus on the world outside. Both are learning, but the path is not the same. For Alex, every stall is a setback. For Maya, every turn builds confidence. The difference is clear. The car you choose shapes your learning from day one. Which would you pick? The challenge or the comfort? The answer isn't simple, but the contrast is striking. Let's see how their instructors guide them.
David, Alex's instructor, stays calm. Everyone stalls, Alex, it's part of learning. He explains the clutch like a seesaw, balance is key. Feel the vibration, that's the biting point. You're learning the car's language. Each attempt is progress, not failure. Deep breath, try again, you've got this.
Supportive coaching turns frustration into growth. Meanwhile, Maya's instructor, Sarah, focuses on road awareness. Good, you spotted the pedestrian, ease off, cover the brake. Maya's lesson is about reading the road, not wrestling with mechanics. Sarah helps her anticipate, plan, and react smoothly. See how slowing early gives everyone time? That's safe driving. Maya's mind is free to focus on hazards and planning ahead. The instructor's role adapts. For Alex, it's mastering the machine. For Maya, it's mastering the environment. Both need guidance, but the challenges are different. Alex learns patience and coordination. Maya, observation and anticipation. The right support makes all the difference. 2 cars, 2 teaching styles, 1 goal-confident, safe drivers. The journey continues, shaped by the car and the coach. Which lesson would you find easier? Let's see how they handle the road ahead. The world outside is full of signs. Cyclists ahead, turn left only. Both Alex and Maya must read them, but their focus is split differently. For Alex, a stop sign means stopping and a tricky hill start. For Maya, it's just break and go. Their learning curves reflect this. Alex's is steep, full of ups and downs. Maya's is smoother, more consistent.
If you charted their progress, Alex's confidence would spike and dip with every gear change. Maya's would rise steadily. The road signs don't change, but the mental workload does. For manual drivers, every sign is a multi-step process. For automatics, it's simpler. Just focus on the road. Same road, different experience. The car you choose shapes how you learn to read the world.
Let's talk about the feel of driving. For Alex, manual means control. Every perfect gear change is a win. He's engaged, commanding the car, feeling every response. But it's hard work, especially in traffic. His mind and left leg are always busy.
Maya's automatic is all about comfort. She glides through traffic, mind free to focus on the world outside. No clutch, no stress, just smooth, easy driving. She might miss the mechanical connection, but she gains peace of mind. For some, manual is a craft. For others, automatic is a tool for safe, stress-free travel. It's about what you value. the dance of control or the ease of comfort. Both have their rewards. The choice is personal. What matters is feeling confident behind the wheel. Which would you choose?
Weeks later, both learners have grown. Alex no longer stalls. He handles hills with ease, shifting gears instinctively. The struggle has turned into mastery, a real sense of achievement.
You're not just driving, Alex, you're dancing with the car. Alex feels like a true driver. Over in the Yaris, Maya's confidence has soared. She navigates busy roundabouts calmly, focusing on traffic, not gears.
You owned that, Maya. Your planning was perfect. Maya feels safe, capable, and ready for anything. Both started differently, but now they're both drivers. The journey was unique for each, but the destination is the same: mastery, confidence, and freedom. The car you choose shapes the path, but not the outcome. Both are ready for the open road. The real adventure begins now. Which journey would you take? The choice is yours.
So, which car is for you? Alex's manual journey was tough but rewarding. He can drive anything now. Maya's automatic path was smooth and stress-free, perfect for her needs. Both are confident, safe drivers. Your choice depends on your personality and your plans. Love a challenge and want more options? Manual might be for you. Prefer simplicity and comfort? Automatic could be your best bet. Think about where you'll drive, what cars you want, and your future goals. There's no right answer, just the right answer for you. Be honest about what you want from driving. Whether you choose stick or smooth, the most important thing is confidence and safety. The open road is waiting. Good luck.